Calina. A lot of you asked us how we made this shrimp sauce or Creole sauce with shrimp on a past video we did on creamy grits, and now we are going to show you how we did it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Things are first. In a cold skillet, we're going to add some bacon. And the reason I don't preheat the skillet is because I don't want to burn the bacon before they've had a chance to render out. So we're going to start it nice, low and slow, and just keep moving the bacon all around and let it just release and render all that fat. And when that's done, we're going to capture all of it. Then we're going to add a little bit of fat back into the pan, and we are going to start a long, lengthy process of this sauce. And this is the Trinity: half an onion, 2 stalks of celery, and half a bell pepper diced. And after about a minute or two of sauteing, we're going to add some tomato. This is 2 Romas that I diced up. And this is really a sauce that you have to make with love. So I added 3 cloves of garlic, and we're going to cook this for a good 15 minutes. I added some blackened redfish seasoning from Paul Perdone. I love that stuff. I've been using it since the 90s. We're going to throw a bay leaf in because bay leaf goes in everything, if you're asking me. And like I said, guys, we are going to be cooking this for a long time. See, the tomatoes are starting to discolor. I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, by the way. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to get this. You see how you see some of the browned, caramelized tomato paste and that Trinity really cooked down and broken down. And to that, we're going to add back that nice crispy bacon. We're going to toss that a little bit and continue to cook. And at this moment, we have taken some shrimp and seasoned it with a little bit of that redfish magic. And we're going to cook that, but we're not cooking it all the way. We want to capture the juices from the shrimp. And we have some shrimp stock that we're adding in. This is 3/4 of a cup. So we add about half of it now. And we just want to cook the shrimp about 3/4 of the way. We're going to add the rest of that shrimp stock, kind of keep things moving. And we don't want to cook the shrimp till the rubber band, so we're going to remove them from the skillet. And last one out. And now we have a nice sauce that has all that shrimp flavor. We're going to add a little bit more shrimp stock just to kind of loosen things up. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. And in goes 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're just going to mix that in and let it easily melt in. Now we put the shrimp back in, and we're just kind of giving it a bath. It's going to take the bay leaf out. No one wants to eat that. And I drop the heat, and we're just going to kind of cook it real slow. And one of the things I love about this is it's just such a luxurious sauce. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh, man. Put that on some grits right now. See, the butter is still kind of melting. And there we have it, guys. That is our shrimp and Creole sauce. Labor of love. Me and my beautiful wife gonna take part of this yummy deliciousness. Nice. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.